Hello, Mr. Hughes. Hi. My name's Richard. I'll be interviewing you today. Okay. So I've had a look at your CV. Given your experience, in all honesty, tell us how you might approach working for a company like ours. Honestly? Yeah.
I'll probably turn up early every day for my first week, just to have you thinking I'm disturbingly keen. But the very next week, it's unlikely I'll be heard from or seen till at least 9:30 it seems. And while you're telling me we need to work as a team, I'll be doddering around in a world of my dreams. And as for a dress code, hell no. If you want me in a suit, then I'll turn up in jeans.
Efter ökar jag bara.